Middle of March, I was ready to go home. I stayed until Denny came down, but I had to ring straight home. I stayed inside for 2 weeks. And then when I come up here, I put that fertilizer on the lawn. I got shoveled. I went up with fertilizer.
Well, looks like about 84, 85. A little bit later because it's got the later inner dash. Probably an FXRD with the what they call the police style floorboard setup. That's interesting. No, it's got to be a later one with the constant velocity carb. Late 80s, 90 maybe. Who tapered the guy's windshield? Single button, double button. Yeah, it's FXRD style. Later.
Not today, man. I'm not. Alright, man.
How much?
Man, that belongs to a buddy of mine.
Oh, we never liked them, did we? No.
No, I really. Huh? You know what's funny? This bike, there was one of these for sale on the Tampa area Craigslist.
Yeah.
I wanted like 11 grand for it.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, these guys are crazy.
There's,
This guy bought this. This is a 100 bike.
oh, really?
Yeah, he bought it brand new.
Well, what year is it?
86.
86, really? That's the FXRD then. It's like 1 year only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he bought it brand new.
Well, why sell it now? What? Hello?
You know what? Like, I know for a fact that the dude's been, had other bikes and just always kept this one.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's not the prettiest thing that ever happened. You know what I mean? It's not, but
Yeah.
I mean, he rides the shit out of it.
Yeah, I don't blame him. Huh. Well, yeah, it ain't pretty, and it's old now.
Huh?
Do you know how many miles is on it and stuff? This thing like 40.
It shows 43. I have no idea.
We don't know. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it may have rolled over by now. He bought it brand new.
What did he say he wanted for it?
I don't know.
Oh, all right.
No,
Well,
I don't know.
Oh, all right.
He'll be back around here in a little while if you want to leave a number or
Yeah,
something.
no, that's right. No, that's no problem. I just, I buy a lot of bikes for sale today, and I thought I'd ask to see the price, but that's great. Well, he ought to really keep it, actually, if he's the original owner. What the heck?
Yeah, he's not losing anything in this
Yeah, shoot,
No,
keep it right
I
in.
think he owes it money.
All right, enjoy your lunch. Thanks. No, the bike's not for sale. What gave you that idea? Anyhow. Okay, well, we're having a great day.